Kingston and St. Andrew, it's your time on Wednesday, July 8 and Thursday, July 9. The Kingston and St. Andrew Corporate Area Traffic Court will host its Traffic Ticket Public Day at the National Arena starting at 9 a.m. Got a ticket between February 1, 2018 to present? Missed your court date? Then this is your opportunity to resolve your matter through a fair and structured process. Registration is mandatory and runs from May 5 to May 31 at midnight. Register by submitting your name, T.R.N, and a copy of your ticket via WhatsApp at 876-453-5060 or 876-453-5242 or by email at traffictickets@jamaicajudiciary.gov.jm. To check outstanding tickets, visit trafficticketlookup.gov.jm. All matters will be handled in accordance with the law. Don't delay. Register early for the Kingston and St. Andrew Traffic Ticket Public Day, July 8 and 9 at the National Arena.